All right, here we have a very nice example of the Hickok Model 539C tube tester. This one is a dandy. I've seen a lot of these. In fact, I had one not long ago that was also quite nice, almost as nice as this one. This one is a bit nicer, physically I'd say, and I believe just a little bit later in serial number. But the case is in good condition. As you can see, the top is also in nice shape. And I have a tube in there I'm testing right now. There is the label, which is also in nice condition, as you can see. So we are testing a 6L6GC made by GE. I think you can see it there. And we have all the settings set so that you can see this thing is working. The way this works is you locate the you can have a tube book for test data book and just look them up that way. This also has a roll chart, and you simply just spin this thing one way or the other, locate the tube you want to test, in this case a 6L6, and you follow it across. The filament selection needs to be at 6.3. Simply put this at the 6.3 position, which we've done. The shunt is at 0. And the settings for this tube are H, S, and then 5, 3, 4, 8, 1 for your selectors. And your selectors says selectors right there, which are these. And you start at the left, you work your way across. H, S, 5, 3, 4, 8, and 1. It's that simple. Again, the filament is set for 6.3. We're testing a tube. Here's your line voltage right here, and you want to make sure it's on the red line. Looks like I'm a little bit low, possibly. There we go, it's on there. And you adjust that with your power adjust right here. Make sure your line voltage is proper. And then the on this one, the filament voltage needs to be at 3, which I've set to do that, and you simply rotate this to get that correct. And that's it for the settings. It sounds like a lot, it really isn't that hard. And then you simply press P4. In this case it says press P4. There it is. It has to be in selection C on the function, so that you want a reading of at least 3300. That's the minimum value. So if it's 3300 or better, you've got a good tube. So we're going to go ahead and press P4, and I've already done it. So again, we're on the 15,000 scale, which is the third one down. So it starts at 2500 and works up your way that way. So I'm going to go ahead and press P4. Here we go. And as you can see, it's right up there near 4,400, 43. So it's well into the good range. I knew it was, but I just wanted to show you that it's good movement on the meter. So that's how you use these, depending on the tube. And sometimes tubes will have a plate or grid cap, and that's what these little things are for here. And there's a connector up in that little hole up there that plugs in there, and then those connect to the cap. So if you need to do that type of tube, that's how you do that. Pretty basic. And again, this particular one comes with the 2 booklets over here, test data, and then basically probably alignment instructions. I'm not sure. But here's a good working Hickok 539C. Thanks for watching.